Welcome to today's Daily Report Market Analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, Market Analyst at Hantec on Thursday, the 22nd of October. Well, markets have taken a sharp move against the dollar in the past, 24 hours. Yesterday, there was a big selling pressure through the dollar, through 93 figure on dollar index, coming as the market continues to sort of position for some sort of fiscal stimulus agreement in the States. The two parties are sort of getting ever closer to agreement, although they haven't actually signed anything yet. But there's been a bit of a kickback against that today, the dollar rebounding on dollar index, as we've seen cable and euro dollar lower. Cable was sharply higher through 30.80 yesterday, unwinding back to that breakout point today. Dollar yen was also sharply lower. That's rebounded, although less so. But you can see here that equity markets seemingly, well, there's question marks, aren't there? I mean, equities are very much risk-on play, and fiscal stimulus would be risk-on. So why are equity markets not flying higher would be the question I want to know. Because you can see each of the past few sessions, 4 sessions in a row, we've closed towards the bottom of the session, bottom of the daily range, and that is not a good sign. It's just selling in pressure into the close. The markets are certainly on the futures are falling again today. So that's sort of reflected through the European markets. FTSE below 5770. That was a key support breakdown. Again, that's multi-month lows on FTSE 100. So there are not some really quite odd and worrying signs actually through equity markets, even though we've seen the dollar breaking down. That dollar rebound today, is it a selling opportunity would be the question. But yeah, I mean, I think below 93 figure on dollar index, and is a key breakdown point, which effectively does open the lows of September, 91.75. But just a kickback against that breakdown early morning today. Now, in terms of data points today, we're looking sort of into the US session, really. We've got jobless claims, we've got existing home sales. Jobless claims expected to be 860,000, which is down from 898 last week. So that's obviously an improvement. And then later, we've got the existing home sales expected to grow by 5% to 6.3 million. We've also got Eurozone consumer confidence expected to deteriorate in October to minus 15. So, yeah, that takes me to my chart of the day, which is silver. Now, what we saw yesterday was a decisive move higher on silver. This breakout, which also broke the downtrend. So 3 positive candles in a row, broke the downtrend and sort of put the bulls on a positive path towards 25.55 to 25.85. It's been a little bit of a pullback on that move today as the dollar has rebounded, but I think that the fact that downtrend is now broken, we're sort of solidly on the uptrend, posting higher highs and moving away from that uptrend again. You'd be looking to buy into weakness towards the uptrend now. That uptrend comes in around about 24.15 area. So there is room for a bit more of an unwind. But I think the fact that as I said, that the downtrend has been broken, we're seeing momentum indicators just edging higher rather than decisively higher. We'd want to see the RSI above 60, for example, to really suggest that the market is going to be breaking through 25.55, 25.85. But I'd still be looking to buy into the weakness. I think there's more of a positive positioning through these indicators now. And I think that weakness on silver seems to be a buying opportunity. You've had that uptrend. Yeah, you are breaking to an extent that uptrend of the past 4 or 5 sessions, but there's breakout support around 24.60 to 24.90. If you can get back above 24.90 and hold that move, then again, that could be the bulls back on track again. But these momentum indicators on the hourly are back at levels at which you'd be looking for the bulls to regain control again, around that 40 mark on RSI on the hourly. So this is an important moment. Holding above 24.60 is important. It would also complete a top pattern if it broke below that, so that wouldn't do the breakout all that well. However, at the moment that level is holding. So for now we're looking to buy into this weakness as long as that 24.60 level holds on silver. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos. Go to our website, sign up for our webinars, and click to watch Trader Talks, our videos that give you top trading ideas.